Checkpoint clear. Proceed to unloading zone. Next truck, keep moving.
Welcome inside a giant cane sugar factory, where freshly harvested sugarcane begins its journey to become shiny crystal sugar. Every single day, thousands of tons of fresh sugarcane arrive here to be transformed into pure sugar. Inside factory process, revealing how fresh sugarcane becomes shiny crystal sugar. Alright, check the stalks for mold and splits. This one's clean, diameter is good. Watch for pest damage on the nodes. Good, approved batch, load it up. Now the real transformation begins, turning raw sugarcane into sparkling shiny crystal sugar. Before sugar can be made, the freshly harvested sugarcane must be carefully cleaned and prepared. After cleaning and preparation, the sugarcane now moves to the heart of the factory, the crushing machines. Pressure stable, cycle time is on target. Good, I'm starting the next batch now. Copy that, flow rate is optimal. Confirmed, all systems are green. To release the sweet juice hidden inside, the sugarcane must first be chopped into smaller pieces. Now the prepared sugarcane is ready for the most important step, extracting the sweet juice that will eventually become shiny crystal sugar. Now the prepared sugarcane is ready for the most important step, extracting the sweet juice that will eventually become shiny crystal sugar. After purification, the sugarcane juice must now be concentrated by removing most of its water. Feed rate is at 200 tons. Crusher speed is nominal. Copy that. Monitoring the pressure. Increasing speed to 1800 RPM. Watch the overload. Pressure rising. It's stable. Good. Keep it steady. Pressure holding at 12 bar. Temperature stable.
Good.
Monitor for any fluctuations.
Readings are optimal. No adjustments needed.
Copy that. Proceeding to next machine.
As water evaporates, the sugarcane juice slowly transforms into a rich and concentrated syrup.
Check the temperature on line 2.
It's at 118, within range.
Good. What about the concentration pressure?
Holding at 42 psi.
Perfect. Log it and let's move on. Now the concentrated syrup is ready for the most fascinating step, creating sugar crystals. The growing sugar crystals must now be separated from the remaining syrup. These tiny seed crystals help guide the formation of shiny sugar crystals. The crystals have begun to form and soon they will become the shiny sugar we recognize. Level stable, increasing to 5,000 RPM.
Confirmed. My unit is at optimal temperature.
Good. Watch for pressure spikes.
Understood. All systems green.
Powerful centrifuge machines spin away the remaining syrup, leaving behind pure sugar crystals.
Flow rate is stable at 150 liters. Pressure is holding at 45 psi. Good. Bricks and pH are within range. Confirmed. All systems green. The sweet juice has now been extracted from the sugarcane, but before it becomes shiny crystal sugar, must be carefully purified.
The sweet juice extracted from fresh sugarcane still contains natural impurities that must be carefully removed. Now purified and clean, the sugarcane juice is ready for the next step, concentrating the sweetness to create shiny crystal sugar. A small amount of lime is added to help separate impurities from the sugarcane juice. Now purified and clean, the sugarcane juice is ready for the next step, concentrating the sweetness to create shiny crystal sugar.
pH is stable at 7.0, right on target. Good. Flow rate is optimal for clarification. I'll adjust the temperature set point. Looks good, no deviations.
Inside the factory, the juice filtration system processes the raw sugarcane juice. The juice passes through fine filters, removing the remaining particles. This produces a clear, high-quality product.
Check this tank, the juice level looks right. Yes, and the temperature is holding steady. Good. Let's move to the next one. Right behind you.
Now purified and cleaned, the sugarcane juice is ready for the next step, concentrating the sweetness to create shiny crystal sugar. To create the shiny sugar we know, the crystals must now be carefully dried. After purification, the sugarcane juice must now be concentrated by removing most of its water.
The crystals are forming perfectly.
The growth rate is steady.
Look at the facets. Excellent clarity. We're on track. Keep monitoring. Let's check the moisture first. Okay, running the moisture test.
Our prep moisture is perfect, 0.02%.
Size distribution is uniform. Good, it's approved. Let's inspect the sugar packaging line. The conveyor speed looks stable. Good. Check the filling accuracy. Nozzle calibration is perfect. Excellent. On to the next station. After an incredible journey from fresh sugarcane, the shiny crystal sugar is finally ready to be packaged. The transformation is nearly complete, from fresh sugarcane to pure shiny crystal sugar. Each bag contains pure sugar produced from freshly harvested sugarcane.
Stack these higher on the left.
Got it, moving them now.
More bags incoming. Keep it steady.
This stack is full, starting a new one.
From this factory, sugar travels to kitchens and bakeries around the world.
All right, sealing her up. Seals on, shipment secure. Let's verify these shipment quantities against the manifest.
Okay, starting with the pallets. They match the count here.
Good. Check the barcodes and the destination. Barcodes are valid. We're clear for loading.
All from one simple plant, the sugarcane.